Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing the Google Play Store on your Windows 10 computer. Let's dive right in. Before we start, let's go through the installation requirements to ensure a smooth process. You'll need Windows 10, adequate system specifications, and a stable internet connection. The first step is to download an Android emulator, which allows you to run Android apps on your Windows 10 machine. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player. Once the emulator is downloaded, open it and follow the installation prompts. This process is straightforward and shouldn't take long. Now that your emulator is set up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find options for downloading apps, accessing settings, and more. Next, you'll need to install the Google Play Store within the emulator. This is often integrated, but double-check to ensure it's available. To access the Play Store, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can easily create a new account right here. Once signed in, you can browse the vast selection of apps available on the Google Play Store. Let's try installing a popular app as an example. Sometimes, you might encounter issues during installation. We'll cover some common troubleshooting steps to help you resolve these problems quickly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Google Play Store on your Windows 10 computer. Here are some final tips for a smooth experience.